Hi everyone, this is your favorite realtor, Aurelia Spencer here, back with another great deal for you. This is an investor's dream. It's already rented, so it would be instant cash flow. I'm talking about 9102 Cooper Drive in prestigious Fort Washington, Maryland. So let's go inside. Okay, upon entry, there's a beautiful family room here with a natural wood burning fireplace. Beautiful hardwood floors. There's a closet here when you come in. As we enter, beautiful dining area. Fresh paint, again, beautiful hardwood floors. Kitchen is off to the left. Has great tile on the floor. Paint is wonderful. Nice full kitchen here. Nice appliances. From the kitchen, we're able to enter into a family room. I see someone here loves to play pool, but this is a great area for the family to hang out. Lots of natural light, exposed brick. This room has carpet that is in great condition. Nice, huge windows. All right. So a nice storage area here of the family room. Again, it's storage here. Oh, the washer and dryer. Looks like there's a washer. There's a washer here. So ready to washing clothes. Back through the kitchen into the dining area, we have a back sunroom. Lots of space back here. Beautiful backyard, if you can see that. Wonderful natural light. So, all right. All right. So we are back in the sunroom. And as I mentioned, beautiful backyard, lots of space. Lots of space. Okay, as we go back into the home. Here is where the furnace is here. Looks to be in great shape. In the hallway, again, wonderful hardwood floors. You don't see that too often, natural hardwood floors. Full bathroom here. Great condition, tile floor, great vanity. Here we have one of the bedrooms. As you can see, it's fresh paint, fresh carpet, good space. Window for plenty of light. Again, now we're in the second bedroom. Great paint and carpet. Nice window for natural light. We have a storage area here. Great to put all of the necessities. And here's the third bedroom. Again, great paint and carpet. This one has two windows to let in lots of natural light. So as we come back towards the front, there's our storage closet here. That's great for hanging up clothes for your guests. And there you have it, people. Please look out. Contact me if you're interested. And I will be back soon with another great buy. Thank you.